In this memory jogger, we will remind you of the benefits of flow manufacturing. Benefit number 1, reduced MCT or manufacturing cycle time. Why is manufacturing cycle time shorter in a flow line? The main reason is that the processes necessary to build the product are linked and balanced. When processes are linked and balanced, the product moves from process to process in an uninterrupted manner, and that uninterrupted movement we call flow. When products are built to work orders that reflect the bills of materials, you build subassemblies that are moved from department to department, accumulating standard minutes. After the work order has been scheduled and has waited on the floor to be worked on, the actual work or production time takes place. If you look at the relative duration of these three elements, schedule, wait, and production, you can confidently say days, days, and minutes. The idea behind establishing a flow line is to eliminate the department-level scheduling to replace it with work signals. Then, through linking and balancing of the processes, eliminate the wait time, leaving just the production time. It is common to see improvements of 70% or 80% or even 90% when a manufacturer goes from traditional batch scheduling to flow. Let's look at the many other benefits derived from implementing flow manufacturing. Introduction. Many of the benefits we are about to discuss are derived from the shorter manufacturing cycle time that results from linking and balancing manufacturing processes. Faster customer response. By reducing the time it takes you to make the product, the manufacturing cycle time or MCT, you can significantly improve your ability to deliver the product faster to the customer. The customer response time is the time from the receipt of the order to delivery of the order. Improve quality. By arranging workstations to work progressively, flow lines facilitate the implementation of quality steps that double-check critical product features. These quality checks are aided with the use of operator method sheets that indicate when to perform these checks and in what sequence. You probably know these checks as TQC and verify. Reduced floor space. Embracing a flow manufacturing strategy means that all these batches go away, and especially the warehouse of work in process becomes unnecessary. All that floor space can now be used for making product, rather than storing it. As important, if not more, is that the inventory that went away becomes cash that does not have to be reinvested in materials. A better cash position makes your company much stronger. One line, many products. A mixed model flow line is designed to build a family of products using the same manufacturing resources. The advantage of mixing products in one line are many, including the capacity to absorb swings in customer demand. Increased flexibility. Arranging workstations in a sequential manner opens the door to implementing a tool known as operator flexibility or flexing. Flexing means to move to where there is a blockage in the flow. This is done in a very structured manner based on demand signals. Flexing is not moving around looking for something to do. Reduce waste. Many forms of waste are eliminated when processes are linked and balanced, and the product flows from process to process in an uninterrupted manner. But one that is clear and very evident to the naked eye is the substantial reduction in the amount of walking that takes place in the new line. Lower inventory requirements. By eliminating batch building, the many piles of partially completed products that litter the floor of a traditional factory are no longer necessary, and all that floor space that was occupied by those piles can be reclaimed for more useful uses, like building products. Reduced working capital. Working capital is a measure of how much cash is tied into the factory's daily operations. By linking and balancing processes, there will be a substantial reduction in work-in-process inventory, followed by reductions in raw materials and improved labor utilization, and all of these will contribute to better asset management. These are just a sampling of the many benefits of implementing a mixed model flow line. This concludes this memory jogger on the topic of the benefits of flow manufacturing.